Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the name color on Stumble Guys. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download Stumble Guys if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually download it on your phone, you have the option even to play it on your PC. Of course, if you are interested by that, just go and uh, check one of our videos in this channel on how to play Stumble Guys on your PC. You will find it right there. So of course, let me just go now and open my Stumble Guys game, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps directly. So of course, here we'll need just to wait until it loads and until it logs us into our accounts, because Stumble Guys, you don't need to log in or create your account. If it's your first time, it will create an account for you directly. If it's not your first time, it will log you into your account directly as well. So you'll need just to wait until it loads correctly, and you will be able to start playing once the screen appear for you. So here is it. You will be able to start directly. No need to log in, no need to create an account. So as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to change our name color. So simply, I'm just going to click at the top right corner at my name here, and from here I'll need to go right here and click at the pin icon. From here, as you can see, they are telling me what should I enter. So simply, if I want to change the name color, I will need to write this. Make sure to write it carefully and write as I'm going to do right now. So that's what should I write, and of course here I should write my name. So as you can see, your name is displayed to other players like that. So of course here after equal, you will need to change the you will need to enter the color that you want to change your name into. So let's say as an example, black. As you can see, my name is black. Let's say as an example, green. As you can see, my name is green. Let's say as an example, red, and etc. Of course, you can do it with several other colors, and when you finish, just hit the free button. Or maybe if you change in your name for the second time, just go and hit the of course the gems button, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.